I cleaned up. I made dinner today. For me and the old man, I straightened a few things up. I bought some milk, and so I come home, and yeah, the refrigerator's clean. It's cleaned out. There's no food. There's no food. There's a small bowl of rice here, and half a dozen eggs. I've been away a week. There's some milk. Other than that, there's no food to eat. ¿Quiere comer? ¿Qué come? And nada está aquí. Turkey I bought last week. This is bread. And this is what William and Alex do to feed the old man. You know, clean up in here. The same exact food I left when I left a week ago. Nothing new. I bought some bananas and bread. No? Nada un poquito?
No.
Okay. I bought some bananas and bread. And I made this gravy today. I cooked the turkey. Mira esto. Mira. Mira. ¿Quiere uno?
Yeah.
¿Ah?
Yeah.
Come, bueno. Bueno, come. Try to get him to eat a little. Está bueno. Está pavo. Like I said, this is what I got to put up with. I've been gone a week. I've been watching it for a week. I'll post videos later. No food. No tiene nada aquí. ¿Qué tú comes? Couple of tortillas and some fucking eggs. Mmm. 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 Mira el jugo. Está bueno. Mmm. No. So, who does that? Who does that? I do. Me and the old man. We take care of ourselves. These guys don't do shit. They don't do shit. Cleaning. That's all they want to do is clean. You know? Empty fridge. Look at that. Empty. Condiments. Milk I bought. Turkey I made. No food. What they've been feeding him, I don't know. You know? But we're going to go to the video and find out. Un poquito. Come? No. Okay. Oh my God. ¿Qué tú haces? Toma. ¿Qué pasó tú? Cómetelo. No más. Okay. Shut the video off. Okay, we're done.